For the past month or so, we all have been complaining of the intense heat conditions that the country has been witnessing. With April temperatures breaking records in several parts of the country, experts from the IMD foresee no immediate relief. Now, as if these extreme weather conditions weren't enough, economists have now warned that this situation could significantly impact agricultural output and may lead to higher inflation. What this means in simple words is that vegetable prices may see a hike due to the above normal temperatures, and inflation is expected to remain on the higher side until June, as we wait for the arrival of a normal monsoon. The IMD has also predicted that vegetable rates are likely to decline after the onset of monsoon in June. With day temperatures inching closer to 40 degrees Celsius in the city and up to 42 degrees Celsius in regions where vegetables are harvested, the rates are expected to rise further. Day temperatures in Kanchipuram, Tiruvannamalai, Villupuram and districts in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka from where vegetables are sourced have soared, a reason why carrots, beans and beetroots are more expensive now. Apart from the summer heat, an increase in labor and transport charges have pushed up vegetable prices in the city by at least 25% over the last week. Beans, which retailed at 110 a kilo last week, now sells at 180 rupees. Garlic and ginger saw triple-digit inflation of 117.8% and 110.4% in 2024. Other vegetables such as brinjal and pointed gourd also saw a spike in prices. Vegetable prices in India are expected to remain high till June due to abnormal temperatures, burning a hole in the pockets of the people. This is because extreme heat and heat wave conditions will impact perishable food varieties, especially vegetables. Heat waves are also reported to have a spillover effect on Kharif season, that is monsoon cropping season, if the monsoon is below normal, as reservoir levels are further expected to decline. India is among the most climatically vulnerable countries, and the current weather conditions are only mounting. With heat waves, flooding, storms and changing monsoon patterns, climate change is said to have a dire impact on vegetable production and prices. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain for India Today So South.